Hello ladies and gents, welcome to the Clark Magnet High School Breakdown. I'm your host, Daniel Arkelian. Today is February 2nd, 2018. Today and next Friday are banking days, so dismissal will be at 12:50 p.m. Today's patriotic quote is, "You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today." Abraham Lincoln. Athletes, report to the library from period 7. No sports buses today. Planner cover contest for 9th through 11th graders. Submit your design ideas for the 2018-2019 planner and win a gift card. Get creative now and submit your ideas and artwork to Mrs. Snodgrass in the ASB room today. You can also place your entry under her mailbox, under her name in her mailbox. CSF Second Semester California Scholarship Federation applications are now available on Clark's website. Download the application and the course list. Applications are due before February 5th. You need to read all the instructions written at the top of the application to ensure that you are not disqualified. See Mrs. Brown in the main office for more information. GCC Dual Enrollment Application Workshop in the PC Lab, room 1316, during lunch and enrichment on Tuesday, February 6th. You need to do step 1 of the process now by applying for the admission at the link in the description. You will receive an email. With your GCC student ID within 72 hours of submitting your application. Come pick up a dual enrollment packet at the beginning and fill out the paperwork to have it ready for the meeting. A parent needs to sign the forms in the packet. Come and sign up with Mrs. Bondi during snack and lunch this week and next week. A list of all the classes being offered is in the packet. How to pay for college night. Please join us and the experts from the Princeton Review for seniors and parents of 12th graders on Wednesday, February 7th at 7 p.m. in the Clark Auditoria. Cap, gown, and tassel. Are you buying or borrowing? You must decide soon and no later than February 23rd. Read through your Justin packet and make a decision. Please note that the gown style and color is different. Every graduating senior must wear the new style of gown for graduation. See Mrs. Lockhart if you have any questions. Interested in a 7th period elective for next year? Consider publications, the class that produces the school's new news website, the Magnet magazine, and the school yearbook. Applications are available at the provided link below. You can save a life on February 14th, right here at Clark. In fact, you can save 3 lives by donating your blood to the American Red Cross. What is a more beautiful Valentine than the gift of life? You must be at least 17 years or older, or meet a certain height and weight requirement. Please see Mr. Blattner or any of the Red Cross Club members this week, and we will sign you up. Parents and community members are also welcome. Please email Mr. Blattner at the provided email below. Thank you for your life-saving donation. Hey, did you know the person who spins the roulette wheel is called the croupier? Who do you think will be the croupier at the Monte Carlo Night Winter Formal on Friday, February 9th from 7 to 10 p.m.? Tickets are on sale at room 5201. All clubs and students, want your voice heard? The Montrose Library Arts and Culture Department has the Small Step Project, which is a teen volunteer program. They are encouraging teens to express the type of community they want to live in and provide them with a support system to develop projects that directly target their aspirations. See the contacts below for all the information. And that's all for today, folks. We hope you have a wonderful day. This is Daniel, signing off.